Hi everyone, now we are gonna unbox this parcel. This is a small one, so without wasting any time, let's start opening. So here we go. Okay, so that's all inside, nothing more. Let's open this pouch. Okay, so here we go. We have some taping. Here we got the gap. So let's open this now. Okay, here we have the currencies, old Indian currencies, you can see. So let's quickly open that. Here we have stapler pins, you can see. Okay, here we have the currency notes itself. You can see this is a 2 rupee diamond series. You can see that its signature is HVR Iyengar. HVR Iyengar. And at the back you can see the half tiger. And this 2 rupees we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 currencies here. And another one what we have here is 5 rupee note of you can see 1969 for issuing commemorating Mahatma Gandhi's birth centenary. You can see here, and this is signed by BN Adharkar. Okay, this is all. I think all are in UNC in condition. You can see good UNC conditions. And here we have 3 currency notes of Rama Rao, B.Rama Rao. You can see the signature B.Rama Rao, and it's a good UNC condition. You can check one by one. Okay, at the back, just a small hole over here, remaining all UNC in condition. So total we have 1, 2 and 3 collections. So we have 3 collections for this parcel. All these are arranged for coming up exhibition over our local Coimbatore exhibition. So all this will be on sale over there. If you like to check it out, you can visit us here. I will add the banner over. That's all guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Hit the like button.